Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Visual Studio Code extension. So let's start. First of all, open your Visual Studio Code. Once you open your Visual Studio Code, you can see the interface like this. And over here, you can see the different options. And here is the option called as extension. So click on the option. Once you click on the option, over here you can see all the install extension, and over here you can see the search bar. Now search for the extension that you want to install. So in my case, I want to install Prettier extension. Now search for the name of the extension. So over here you can see the Prettier extension, and here is the option install. So click on the install, and if you refresh this, in the install you can see the Prettier code formatter extension is installed automatically. So in this way we can install extension in Visual Studio Code. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.